Hey, what's up, Cajun Country? West Coast Cajun here, back with another bass fishing adventure out in southern Idaho. What is up, everybody? We are back on the Snake River today, middle of June. I think today's the 17th, 2025. Nice and warm today, pretty still out, not much of a breeze going on. We got some blue skies, birds are chirping, carp are smashing the water, they're up shallow. I gotta assume they're bumping uglies right now because I'm seeing 3, 4, 5, 6 males and a big giant female just kind of getting chased. So that's what we got going on. That never makes for a great day of bass fishing because those guys are busting up the shallows, but that doesn't mean we're not going to get out here and rip some lips today. Gonna be throwing that Ned rig a lot. As always, I like that black with the red flake, or any type of a watermelon with a red flake works. I think the key of it though is that red flake. Gives them that little flash they're looking for when they're down in the murkiness down there. So, hey guys, seeing as that the shallows are getting smashed up, we're gonna have to use that current today. We're gonna find the downside of the current, try and toss up into it and drift down towards the open mouths of the fish who are sitting at the bottom waiting for it, hopefully. Kind of excited to be back out here on the Snake River, get on some smallies. It's been maybe a month or two since I've hit up any of the smallmouth bass around here. So, really excited about this. Got a couple other things tied on today. I got the crankbait tied on. I got a spinner bait, a little jig, but I think mostly I'm going to be tossing that Ned rig today. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely shoot me a comment, hit me up with a like. Let's see how many of those thumbs up we can accumulate on this video. Besides that, guys, I think I'm ready to rip some lips. This is West Coast Cajun saying keep them lines tight. I'll see you on the water. Here we go. Feels better. Can't believe I haven't gotten a single bite yet. Seems odd. Where are the bass at? That was a bite. Little guy, must have been a little guy. Maybe I hit a rock. fish on. Little tiny guy. I knew he was hitting though. I felt him. Alright, thanks little dude. Till next time. Alright, we need bigger than that. Bigger than that. There's a little guy. There's a stack of them right there. Maybe a little bigger. Give me a sec. A little red eye. All right, dude. Appreciate you. Oops, that's not good. All right. Thanks, dude. All right. All right, well, the skunk is off my back. That's always good. Just tossing those little homemade black with red flake TRDs on the Ned rig. I think this is a 1/10 ounce. We did a little better in the last couple. Nope. No, he choked it. Now the little guy, little dinkerdoos. Lots of little dinkerdoos lately. What's going on? Alright, man. Thank you very much. Peace. See, there's another one right in there. What's that? Nice. Maybe I'll get lucky. Here we go. Come on, baby. Nice one. All right, my man, thank you very much. Till next time. Thank you, little buddy. See ya. Peace. Another one. They're not big, but I'll take them all. It's another one. All little guys, but for sure fun. Thank you, Jesus. Thanks, buddy. I'm getting tired. Dude, there's something little grabbing it. I don't know what. Well, I know what. Lots of little dudes. All right, my man, thanks for playing. Peace. Here under the dock. See if there's another one right there. Playing the current game.